Hi friends, I'm back with this another new tutorial. This is a special photo editing tutorial. Social icon glowing effect. It is very simple and easy. You can also edit your images like you seen in thumbnail. All you have to do is pose a pic like exactly like this. So you can proceed for the new Instagram viral DP editing. Okay. This is the image I'm going to use today. I'm going to share this image directly to the Picsart. Okay. Now we finally came to the Picsart. Now what you have to do is you have to crop this image a little bit. Okay, done. Now what you have to do is I have to go to FX. You have to go to FX and you have to change the background completely to the darker, so it will be good for the editing. For this what you have to do is you have to go to colors and you have to tap on this black and white. Okay, now decrease the amount fully. Now decrease the amount fully. Now go to eraser, tap on this invert and you have to start drawing. It will take time, so I'm going to draw in a fast forward mode. Okay, for this you have to keep concentration and draw the borders with the correctly, so we will get the editing in the perfection. Okay, so I'm doing in fast forward mode. It is how it look when you drawn completely the background like this. Okay, now it is everything is okay. Now go to tools and crop a little bit. Okay, tick. Now what I have to do is I have to add the social icon Instagram PNG. I will give the link in the description. You can go and download there. This icon now we're going to arrange somewhere on the right side on the top, so you can start arrange wherever you want in the correct position. It will take time and you can adjust. Okay, now I have to add the red lightning PNG. This is the lightning PNG. Before we have to make it screen by going to blend, make it screen and increase the size like this. Okay, now go to opacity and decrease opacity to the around 50. Okay, now make it duplicate and again increase the and now decrease. Okay, now it is done, it is ready. Now you can decrease the size. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to add this lightning red effect to the model. You can see this color is different and this lightning is different, so we have to add. For this we have to go to FX and go to colors. You can see here, go to colors and search for the colorize. You can see here colorize, and what I have to do is decrease. I have to see different colors, decrease this hue and you have to go to eraser and tap on this invert and now go to brush and decrease the hardness to the 0 and size you have to keep like this. Now draw here like this on this portion, draw like this. Okay, done. Now tap on tick and you have to fade out little bit, 40. You have to fade like this. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to do a little adjustments in the tools. Go to crop and adjust like this. Tap on tick. Now go to effects. You have to give a final effect for this image. Go to effects and search for the lomo. By using the lomo we are going to give some black shade in the bottom. Okay, and here is the lomo. Now we have to decrease the amount and increase the vignette. Now go to eraser and tap on the invert and go to brush and decrease the hardness to 0, and now we have to start drawing on the bottom portion. Okay, draw on the bottom portion like this. Okay, done. Finally, our special logo icon glowing effect is ready. You can see, you can keep the name whatever you want. I'm going to give it as Instagram special DP editing. You can see how amazing it is. You can also edit your image like this. All you have to do is simply follow my video each and every single step and download these two PNGs, the social icon PNG and the lightning red PNG, so you can also get this image. Okay, I hope you learn this tutorial easily and you can have fun by editing your images. And if you really enjoy the video, please consider subscribe and leave a like and write any comment about this photo editing. I hope I will see you with a new photo editing tutorial in next video. Now go to draw and save your image and have fun. See you in next video.